Right now I am going to record 15 seconds worth of water in this yellow bowl from my kitchen sink. Oh my gosh, my phone. Please excuse my knife. Alright, ready? Now. Alright, 15 seconds worth of water. Done. So I placed in the water from the bowl into 2 bottles of water which have fully been filled with water, and that is only just from 15 seconds worth of water from my kitchen sink. Oh, my name is Jasmine Bustamante from Alliance Collins High College Ready Academy High School. Long name, I know. That's okay. And I am currently in 9th grade. The purpose of this video is to inform Californians and maybe more from different states about the current drought that we're dealing with. This is supposedly the worst one that's come to came actually. Yeah, let's just say it's that. Cool. Okay. So this is mainly the purpose of the video, and also to figure out different ways to lessen the usage of water that is being currently used. Yes, okay. Okay, so after all the data that I had collected, I think my family and I are going to have to find a way to shorten the amount of water we use in my household. Because, like I said before earlier, that we are currently in a drought, and people are saying that it's the worst drought yet. The amount of water that we have that's drinkable is decreasing, but we are also America, or I guess the countries, are considering finding new ways to be able to produce more eligible drinking water for us. But it is very important to figure out ways to save it while we still can. And it's very important because it's what we live on. We live off of water and food, and without water we can't grow food. And without food we can't survive.
Alright, come on. I'm ready.
It's too late now, Dad.
Like, oh my god.
It's too late now.
Oh my god. I hope those cups are 7 ounces.
Dad.
I hope those cups are 3 ounces.
Shh.
That's it. We're
Stop.
gonna buy new cups, and we're not gonna have nothing bigger than 3 ounces. Quítate cara. Hey, quítate cara.
Popcorn popping.
Tus eyes van a estar popping si pones tu cara ahí. ¿Qué dije? ¿Hace caso? Sí.
Jasmine, your eyes no
Tus eyes van a estar popping
No
como
sé.
popcorn. Te voy a pegar.
Mira.
Muffin.
Whatever.
Stud muffin, right, baby?
Take off the hat, you're
Turn
indoors.
up.
I'm going to record 15 seconds worth of water in my kitchen sink. Excuse the knife. Alright. Ready? How am I gonna do this? Jesus. Can't do this. Mom!